We are doing things a little bit differently today. No caravanning, we are actually doing a boat hire down here. This is Gold Coast boat hire. How good is this? That's our boat. Like, we're going to be going around the marina like rich people.
That one just tried to eat it.
There you go. We're out in the bloody ocean right now. Far out. Look how fast this guy's going.
Holy crap.
Bloody hell, we're going to send it. We're going to have a wave to ride now. This is great.
Imagine living there. Look at the statue.
The roof's on the...
Yeah. Baby! Oh, hello!
We are just stopped outside Russell Crowe's house. This is Russell Crowe's house, everybody. Russell Crowe. Russell Crowe. Making movies, singing songs, fighting around the world.
He has no idea if that's
No,
true or not.
Taylor Swift is here.
Taylor Swift is also here.
Wow, I got
See that guy over there? That's Taylor Swift's husband.
That's Taylor Swift's husband.
Yep.
Brock Smith. Swift, idiot. We have taken the boat from 2 seconds over there. We drove up the river. It was very choppy. There was about 100 boats all passing us in our slow-ass little boat. We turned it back around because I knew Danika's not going to be happy out there in the choppy water, neither is Ava. No. So I just turned it back around and here we are, relaxing in front of people's houses.
Yeah.
I want to just get us up to Paradise Point, which is just up the river a tiny bit, and then we'll have lunch up there because there's so many nice houses up there. And we can pretend we're rich.
Yeah, we can just pretend that that's our house.
So we're not caravanning. We're doing the last weekend of school holidays. We wanted to come and do something special. So here we are, out on a boat. I'm just going to give Ava a quick interview.
Both to nose.
Ava's doing it. Look at her go. Isn't this great? What a legend. Ava, how do you feel?
Good.
Nice. How good's this? Turn left a little bit, chicken. There you go. This is so cool. It's so nice and flat now because all the other boats are gone, but they'll be back shortly.
KFC time.
These guys are flying. Oh, she's going to get a little bit choppy now, boys.
Boys
Yeah, boys.
and girls.
Got the jet skis going crazy. We just want to go and check out all the rich houses. They're going to have to put us on a KFC commercial. We brought KFC with us so we don't have to cook anything.
Yeah. We don't need no barbecue boat.
What is happening? We're about to smash some KFC. These people over here, they've got a houseboat. Right, see that? You can see that? I don't know if you can see that. They've got a houseboat over there behind us somewhere. You can't see it because the thing keeps focusing on my face.
Because you're so beautiful.
Oh, that's so nice of you, Danny. Anyway, you probably can't see it properly, but this is where we're hanging out for lunch. We're just anchored up. Anchored up because I was going to beach us over there, but I don't know how to take it onto the beach because it got really shallow and I'm like, oh, I better not. I would get this boat, we'll go down to Paradise Point. Did somebody say
KFC.
I missed it.
Oh, sorry about that. Did somebody say
KFC.
yeah, what a great family moment. Shut up and take my money. That's KFC, isn't it, Danica? You just told me that.
I don't know.
Or is that how food reacts?
You know what time it is? It's Matzo's cheers time. You remember us having some Matzo's? It's been a long time,
I
mate.
remember that.
Matzo's for the boys. Danica, you look amazing up the front of the boat. You're at the top of that part of the boat's called the vessel.
Is it?
I don't know. Probably not.
There's a
Port side?
stern?
Yes, there's a stern side and a port side.
A bow? A bow?
Bow rider.
I'm not
Oh, you're on the bow. That's the bow of the boat.
You're making it sound like it's
We know everything.
the poo hole.
We know everything. You're amazing, Danica.
It's a bayo bun.
What are you looking at, Swan? What are you looking at, Swan? Oh, sorry, Swan. I scared it. That's an Adam Sandler thing. It's funny. See? What are you looking at, Swan? Isn't it funny now? Well, it's like, bruv, I love chips, G. Man, my name's Swan. I love chips.
Mary Swanson.
It's so cute.
We're just heading down. We're going down to Ephron Island, it's called. It's where I was working yesterday. It's what made me want to do this. But we're just cruising around. Look at all these rich houses, man. They're amazing. We're just telling the kids how, like, if our YouTube takes off, that we'll be able to live there. So if you guys can give us a subscribe and that so we can get one of these rich people's houses,
Yeah.
would be awesome.
And then we can buy some chicken.
We have just pulled up again. This is right at the front of Paradise Point. Really nice
We're
spot.
gonna get fucked up.
Oh, jet skis are going past. Every time we start relaxing, the jet skis fly past and they make you go freaking like crazy all over the place. And they go so fast. Check this out. Look how fast this guy's going. The speed limit's 6, bro. Well, the speed limit's 6 after you go past that bridge. Ready? And 6. Yeah, he slowed down. All right, he did a good job. Yesterday, I was working on a GWM Cannon straight across here on the thingy here. Right, if you're the owner of that cannon,
Grass.
if you are, that's the grass. Yes. What did I say?
The thingy over there?
The thingy. See where the grass is over there? Just above, that's a car park, and I was working on a GWM Cannon for you, mate, because you know who you are. But I was working on a GWM Cannon just over there, mate. That freaking was beautiful. And so then I was like, we have to go and hire a boat. So here we are on a boat hired the very next day. Here's the bridge over to Epstein Island, Efron Island, sorry, it's called. And then there's a cool swimming spot just there at Paradise Point. So the company's called Gold Coast Boat Hire. The boat's very slow, but you don't need a boat license to use it. And for 4 hours, it costed me $265. And I just realized that we're this close to the shore and I need to move the boat before you crash into it because we're not anchored. Oh my gosh. Look how close you are to the shore. My bad. My bad. Quick, take this.
That was a...
We did some donuts. I'm the king of the world. We've just driven down a bit further, or boated down, whatever you want to call it. And there's dolphins all around us. See if you guys can see one.
Dolphin!
Where?
There, just drove down.
Oh, damn it. You guys are going to see some dolphins. I hope you're excited.
No, they're not.
Dolphin!
Oh, there's one out there. I don't know if you've seen it.
There's so many.
We'll zoom it in a tiny bit for you because this camera does a 2 point. There you go. Dolphins are splashing just over there. It's quite far, so it might be a bit hard to see, but it is happening, I promise you. See them? Look at them. Anyway, there's dolphins. You all love it. You know what would have been cool today? The drone. Oh, well.
Oh, I thought you wrote it.
So dumb.
Counting.
Good as.
Oh, I got that.
Oh, awesome. We're just doing some dolphin hunting. Dolphin watching. You're going to see the dolphins are going to pop up right here in front of us. 100%. Ready? Second now. There they are. They're over there. Do we need to get closer? Oh my god.
Yeah, get a bit closer. Stop here.
Oh, that's cool. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah.
Yes, we got them.
Look at them, the beautifuls. Yes, do some cool dolphin shit.
They're so cute, just frolicking.
Right.
Or they're panicked because they're running away from us.
Oh, don't panic, guys. We're your friends.
I don't even know the song. I only know that one.
In the vessel, in the vessel. Look behind us. Danika's back here having a dance. Where's your dancing gone?
Sun's gone.
She stopped dancing. You dance now. Dance now, woman. Whatever. Oh, this is too good. Too good. Caden's having a little drive while I'm monitoring him and all that. While we're just putting around. Look at us. Look at all, there's all the nice houses again. Just cruising up and down the thing. There was a spot that he recommended, but it was going to be an hour up the choppy water, and we were like, nah, we'll just putt around to the canals, mate. It's all good. Or whatever you want to call this. I don't know if the people live here are like, yeah, I live on a canal. Hey, this is all right. Bit of a boat hire. Hey, you can't go wrong, mate. Can't go wrong with this, all right? Good family day out. All right, everybody, come on. Let's go down there. Discount code. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Wish us luck, everybody, because Danika's having a turn.
Up the top, the bottom being on.
You're doing it, Kylie. Danika, you're doing it.
Yeah, that's the door. Like,
It's official.
so weird.
Oh, this jet ski is, I don't like it already. Jet
If you're going head first towards a boat, just crash into them. Yeah, you just got it. You're doing it good. You got this, babe.
I'm smaller than you, Bob.
You're doing it, Danny
Yeah,
Cakes.
I don't know how you do this.
Yeah, you're doing it good.
Nah.
You sort of just like, just turn slow and it sort of just goes there eventually. It's a boat.
And the first, that's the birds, that's the birds, that's the birds, something like that.
Alright, I've lost my shoes. We just like left, we were over in that area and then we came straight across this this Riviera. And then I crashed the boat into the sand here. Nah, I just took it slowly onto the sandbank because I haven't hit any beaches yet. And I was like, let's go check out an island, right? Look, there's an island behind us. Let's go check it out. Not on my back, man. Here we did it. We're off the boat. Bro, look at the waves. Like, I don't know, does the boat just stay there now? If the boat goes, then we're going to be in trouble, right? I might pull the anchor out a little bit. There we go. Now the boat can't get anywhere. Alright, there you go. Now the tide is coming up. So, I don't know enough about this, but anyway, the boat should be fine there for 10 minutes while we go for a bit of a walk. Let's go for a walk. Come on, Ava. Hurry up, Ava! Hurry up, Ava! Hurry up! Hurry up! You better run.
wanna race?
You better run, punk. So this is Coomera Island. Wheels by the Ocean is on Coomera Island.
How do we get here?
We got lost. They're gonna make a TV show about us, mate.
Oh yeah, that's what you're not meant to do.
Oh yeah, look at this guy. This is what the boat hire guy's like. You're not allowed to ride up on your gull wing or whatever it's called. See?
It's the phalange.
Oh, you're not allowed to ride on the phalange. No riding on the phalange, mate.
Mom, this big green one just shot out.
What do you think of that? We're gonna come pick you up, okay? So record this shit. I'm a professional boat driver now.
It looks centipede.
Yeah, what if he hurts me?
There you go, we're in. Alright, you ready?
No,
You ready to hop in? We did it.
that looks far.
Yeah, it's a little bit far. It's okay. Look. Ready, on?
What's your plan?
They'll give you a step to get you in. Maybe hold this right so the boat doesn't fall over. Alright, then come and get in before this boat leaves this fucking place.
So, can you bring it up a bit more?
What up a bit more?
I don't know.
The boat? I'm not going to move the boat again. What? Oh, you scared the crap out of me.
There's my pants. Feet.
It's okay to have wet pants. We've all been there before. There's some more of our Gold Coast boat hire friends going past in their Gold Coast boat hire boat. Ours is a 450 Safari. This thing's 700 horsepower. And that's a wrap. Yeah, we're just heading off. We're just over here. We're going to be back at shore. Okay, so once we're back at shore, boat hire is finished and we'll go do something else in the Gold Coast. We'll go and have a look around down surface or something. I'll bring you with me. You don't just want to see a boat ride, you want to see some something else as well. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, mate? Right? Yeah. Okay, see you later, vessel. Thanks for the day. Catch you later. Let's go load up the car with all of our crap and go see what else this place has to offer. I've never been to the Gold Coast before. Alright, there's the beautiful GWM behind us. We still own it, just in case you're wondering. We're down at Paradise Point. The kids wanted to go and get ice cream, so we pulled up. We're going to get ice cream and then we're just going to go home because Surfers Paradise is a 30-minute drive from here and we don't want to do that. We want to get back up to the Redlands and go watch telly forever.
Camera ready?
Yeah, camera, you ready for that?
Yeah.
Crazy. Let's go get some ice cream. We've got the ultimate seating position right here on the beach. No one wants to sit down because the seat's probably freezing. Look at these ice creams. This is from Ben and Jackie's. What's the ice cream called?
Baskin Robbins.
Baskin and Robbins. Look at that, hundreds and thousands and a bunch of flavours. What'd you get, Kates?
Mint and something else.
Good stuff. Ava, what did you get?
Mango.
Holy crap, that's very
And-
mangoey.
Look, it's just dripping.
Cookies and cream.
Oh, yum. What'd you get? Douche ganoush or something? What is it?
Dolce Delici or something?
Yeah, Dolce Gabbana.
I like a chocolate caramel truffle something. I don't know.
Well, yum.
Turtle, caramel chocolate truffle turtles.
Wow, very nice. Turtleneck. Very interesting. This is interesting stuff. Oh.
Oh my.
Does the sky look pretty or what, mate? Oh, there's that island that we were talking about. That's the island I was on. I was just talking about it on the boat.
I need to ask
That's
you a
where I was
question.
working. Oh, what is the question, Ava?
Go down there. Rate my shoes out of 10.
High heel Crocs. They came from China. Go watch the China episodes and you'll see me buying those for Ava.
Like and subscribe.
You gotta dance and throw your arms around when you do it.
Like and subscribe.
Exactly, mate. Ava's exactly right. We need your support. Like and subscribe on all the crap so I can stop putting that little subscribe thing on the bottom of every video. I'm over putting that in there. What is it, Danique? Danique wants to show me a swan. Did you give it some ice cream?
No, I didn't get any yet.
Ready, get some. Get some.
What? You can't feed the duck?
Ready, get some.
The goose? Actual? Are you gonna eat it after it puts its mouth in there?
Yeah.
Wow. We're going home. We're going home. We're driving home. It's time. It's all done. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We're getting out of here. We're driving all the way back up to the Redlands because that's where we live. Why do I tell people this?
I don't fucking know.
Guys, did you like the boat?
Oh yeah, I love the boat.
Yeah.
Mad.
But it was fun.
Now I'm gonna
Alright.
live
I'm
in a
seeing the
houseboat.
dolphins.
The dolphins are cute.
Oh, is that Cades?
Now I'm gonna live in a houseboat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so
Okay.
a whole boat day of Caden just explaining to us how he's going to live on a boat.
Yeah, I'm going to live in a houseboat when I grow up.
I am.
Yeah. Can't wait. I'm excited.
Jump on houseboatsales.com and you find yourself a houseboat and start saving up for it.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay, bye.